What's up, everyone? So this is a quick mini review of the Feit electric 4-foot LED shop light. And the reason I'm doing this review is because I, instead of using it in the garage, actually used this as a cheap, quick, under the cabinet light. Ta-da, like that. So if you guys are also thinking about getting some extra light under the cabinet because it's too dark when you're working in your kitchen, this is a great alternative. Like the light is very cheap. It's less than $20 and it's very bright. So all you have to do to mount it under your cabinet is 2 screws. You literally just need 2 screws measured in 47-inch distance apart, because there are 2 mounting holes on the top of the light. I'll show you guys. So right here. So basically the light is held up by 2 screws. It's a very light light, so you don't have to worry about it falling onto your countertop and things like that, because the light is very light. Alternatively, you can use it in the shop by hanging it with certain distance with a chain and some hooks and a string for the extended chain link. But under the sink, it's really easy. All you need is a socket that you can directly plug in, and you can turn on and turn off like that. So basically, it's a $17 instant kitchen cabinet underlight implementation. It's like so cheap, so easy to do, and so quick. Pretty much anybody can do it. Just 2 screws. All you need is 2 screws to screw it under the cabinet. So make sure you are getting a correct length screw, because the screw I'm using, I'll show you guys where the screw is. So this is the length of the screw I used, because the cabinet is really actually quite thin. So this is probably the best screw you can have. And all you need to do is screw it under the cabinet, leave a little bit of the space so the light can slide into the screw and secure. And also measure 47-inch in distance between the 2 screws. Basically, you can just directly mount the light on there. So it is a very easy to do, very cheap and effective way to instantly boost your kitchen cooking experience, or just make your kitchen looks slightly cooler. Alternatively, of course, you can probably hide the cord on the top by gluing it to the top so it doesn't really easily show by dangling over there. But that's purely cosmetic. And right now it's very functioning. As you can see, this kitchen have very dark lights, and if you're working over here in your counter with the lights off, pretty much there's no way for me to see anything. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions, comments about the Costco Feit electric 4-foot LED shop light used under the kitchen cabinet, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.